Hi guys, we are continuing our tutorial on Ajax and modal boxes in Laravel. Last time we have defined what we want to achieve, our goal, and today we are going to see some code. Let me remind you that the final output of this exercise will be, this is what we want to achieve. There are three boxes, three buttons representing three different servers in three different geographic locations. And we would like to have, by clicking on each of them, we would like to have a modal box, and inside the modal box we want to retrieve the content error log from the server. This is the job to be done. Okay? And so let us begin. Laravel, the most essential core part of Laravel is routing. You cannot have anything done in Laravel without routing. You don't need to, I can imagine a nice looking application without a controller, which is not essential, but I cannot imagine an application without a routing, and this is the first step to do. Routing is the file to check is the web PHP in the routes directory. This is the fresh new installed Laravel route, and which shows the welcome screen. Okay, I'm copying it, and let us the application we want to create, let's give it another name. The template, let's three different server, let's call it Empire. Okay, and the route is already occupied, so we have to say Empire. Each time we have an Empire in the route, in the URL, the template, Empire template will be called. So this is all. This is it. On the we are not going to do anything else probably in the. Yes, we are a little later, but this is the web part to display the template. Where is the template? It's not ready yet. We have to do it. We have to clone it, and we are cloning it from the welcome screen. This is the welcome screen, the very first screen that you see after installation of Laravel. And we are going to do save as, and we are saving this as, of course, everybody knows the name now, Empire. Okay, this is the blade template for our application, and here it is. Okay, to make sure that we have it, we call it Empire in the huge title. Let us deploy it, and also we need to deploy the web PHP. We also need to go on the server. Okay, both of them have been deployed. Okay, so I'm now looking at the Empire. Now I'm looking at the Empire template. This is the HTML template. We are going to work on it to create the application we have designed. How does it look? If I go to here, if I say Empire, here it is. It already says Empire, not Laravel. That's nice. Good start. Once we have the template, we would like here, rather than those links that Laravel is suggesting, we want to see the three buttons. I will copy now. I will go to the code. I have created them already. So I will copy they are already marked to be copied. That's nice. And now I am back in the Empire Blade template, and these links that were shown on the screen, I am replacing right now with the 3 buttons. As you can see, this is a Texas, Berlin, and Seoul button. You may notice that the buttons have IDs, like here, check Texas, check Berlin, or check Seoul. They all start with check underscore. There is a reason for it. You probably, if you are experienced with JavaScript or with jQuery, you probably know why. Okay, let us deploy this one. And let's see whether something has changed or not. Yes, we have 3 buttons, but they are ugly like hell. We don't like them. What do we need? We need some style. Where do we take the style from? As soon as you create your first application using Artisan in Laravel, Laravel will create you a layout, and that layout has more style than the simple welcome template. So again, I go back to something that you probably have seen a few times, because this is what is, as a standard, Laravel creates for us while creating and doing an Artisan to create new application. So I simply copy those links, which that HTML which has CSS that I want. I copy it to our Empire template. Okay. I trust the Laravel, so write something like here, probably. Okay, fonts are too much, twice the same time, so I remove that one, and that should be it. Let us deploy it. And refresh the screen. Yes, okay, so we got the CSS now. If I click on any of those, it does nothing. We haven't done anything. What we want to do is, now we would like to do the real model HTML code. Where do we take the model HTML code from? From the authority, from the Bootstrap web page, of course. Right now, I am on the Bootstrap web page, getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. And here is plenty of code to copy and paste. I want this. This is an example of the model, so this is, as you can see, about 20 lines of HTML. I copy it to clipboard, and I go back to our Empire Blade template right here, and I put it somewhere very, very much at the bottom, just before the ending body tag, something like here. Okay, and we already know that this is going to pop up, so there is a JavaScript that will do the movement, the activation. So the JavaScript must know, of course, some ID. And the ID, what is it going to be? Error log modal. This is the ID. And we can do some modification. Model title, it's not model title, is error log from server. Okay, and that's that's the body. That's here in the model body part. That's where we want to see where the real text. The p tag is not convenient. It might be a larger log. So I want to scroll it. So let's have a text area on this. Okay, we'll give it also an ID. Ajax will need it, JavaScript will need it. So we'll have it something like body, log body. XD. We give it a class from Bootstrap, which is form element. No, form control, sorry. Okay, and we don't model body there. We'll leave it for the moment. Let us deploy it. And let us check what we can see. Of course, we are not going to see anything because it's not activated. Okay, so now let us go to the jQuery part. In order to activate a modal box, we need some JavaScript, and we have it already. I have prepared it for you. And this is right in here. I will comment in a while what is this about. Okay, this is written by me, that does not come from anywhere else. So we put this also somewhere at the bottom of the bottom of the whole. In the first script tag, we are simply asking for, we are including jQuery, JavaScript library, and then we do a small application of example of this jQuery functionality. We have those check Texas, check Berlin, and check Seoul, those three IDs for the three buttons, and on click we want the log data model to show. I don't remember whether I put the ID correctly. Let us check. Error log model. Okay, let's have it the same. Error log model. Okay, so the idea is that as soon as you click on each of those three check buttons, the error log model window will pop up. Let's see if it's true or not. Let's deploy it. And let's refresh the screen, and what happens? Wow, we have it. Okay, it's empty still. In the next part of the presentation, I will show you how to get the content to fill it up. But at least right now, what we have achieved is that the model window pops up in our Laravel application. Thank you for your attention. That's it for today.